mix. Today we're making a beautiful butterfly bookmark. It's super easy, colorful, and perfect for your favorite books. Let's get started. The materials you'll need is a ruler, a paper in these measurements, a pencil, and a scissor. Step 1. We will fold our paper in half. Step 2. Now we will draw lines. Step 3. Now we will draw a butterfly. Step 4. Now we will cut the drawing. Step 6. Now you will decorate it however you want. Wasn't that so easy and pretty? If you like this bookmark, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.